In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your bank account to Robinhood. I'm going to transfer $2,400 so I can purchase Amazon and Google. I'm going to click on the Robinhood app, and then I'm going to do my Face ID. I'm going to click on the bottom right, the person at the bottom, and then I'm going to click on the top left, those three lines, and then I'm going to click on transfers. After I click on transfers, I'll hit transfer money at the very top, and then I'm going to transfer $2,400. Like I said, I have Robinhood Instant, so of course I'm going to be able to get that money instantly. I'm going to select my account, and then I'm going to choose that I'm transferring to Robinhood. Review, transfer $2,400 because I have Robinhood Instant. I'll get it quickly here. There you go. And I'll have it in my account, as you guys will be able to see. And right now I have $206,000 available in my account.